Welcome traders. I am Pranafax and I hope you are all doing well. Okay, so in this video we'll see uh, Euro USD DXY and GBPUSD forecast for the next week by ICTV. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, this is dollar index. Okay, daily chart. You can see price clearly. The institutional order flow is bearish. Okay, can see now. If you for various interest in order flow, bullish candle resist the price and bearish candle low will broke. Okay, now you can see uh, bullish candles resist the price and down close candles low broken. Yes, correct. Yes. Okay. Uh, see. Okay. This is my marking and see after previous month break price break this previous month high can see this previous day high. Okay, no, previous day high is broke and price moved down. That is meaning there are accumulate buy stops. Okay, it is accumulated by sell liquidity. Okay, and again this is a 4 hour chart of DXY. Okay, and again see again you can see the swing low is broken. That is mean it's the last swing. uh, this is break in market structure. Okay, shift market structure anything there are same meaning. Okay, and can see again see this last week this previous day high after broke this high price is moving down. Okay, you know that is imbalance, that is fairly gap, that is sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Okay, price after broke this close candle, after broke this down close candle high, that is a fresh day high, after broken price is moving started to lower. Okay, where is our sell side liquidity then? you know this low is our sell side liquidity. Okay, is the expect coming week this low will broke. Okay, that is my expectation. See guys, this PPR range. Okay, this fairly that is buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. This buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, that is imbalance. Now this fairly gap called as PPR, that is balanced price range. Okay, so can see guys, after accumulate these buy stops insistence. Okay, the algorithm retest these BPR premium high. Okay, algorithms know this particular level, so that level they are repriced, they are again retest that level and move down. Okay, this Friday candle again goes to the BPR discount low and retest that level and move down. Okay, now this the price is in the week is tested this say by BC, that is buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, but still our institutional order flow is for short term institutional order flow is that is bearish, so we can expect this low will broke coming weeks. Okay, if this broke low uh, and after this right this social liquidity, we can anticipate price maybe move this low. Okay, we can expect price maybe clear this liquidity. Okay, and another chance to price move higher after price this right this liquidity. If price clear this up close candle high, you can expect price will start to move higher. Otherwise, our existing order flow for dollar index bearish. Okay, let's see Euro USD. For Euro USD, same existing order flow is bullish. This guy is broken, and down close candle support in the price, up close candle high is broken, broke, you know. Yes, again, see guys, this imbalance and price this day, that is Wednesday, price clear this previous day low, that is Tuesday low, and institutional that is market makers accumulate their sell stops in this imbalance. Okay, market makers move in the market only buy side to sell side and sell side to buy side. Don't tell this concept to anyone. Okay, and see guys, previous day low is right, and I expect market makers central banks maybe move the market to this buy side liquidity, that is focus on higher. Okay, this is my next round liquidity. Yes, this is my next round liquidity. Down close candle. Okay, this is will support the price. Maybe come tomorrow. That is Monday. Maybe price after right this low the high, and maybe retest this same level. What is this? That is previous day. Sorry, down close candle high. Maybe this candle will act as support, and this high will be our next round liquidity. Okay, that's all for the Euro USD. After right this higher base liquidity, price maybe clear this base liquidity also and reach maybe this clear these by securities, maybe reach this CB, that is sell side imbalance and buy side inefficiency, or if price after clear the sell by security, price maybe we have to wait for. Okay, we have to wait to probe these uh, down close candle low. That is our break-in market structure. Okay, that is our break-in market structure. After that breaking market structure, we can expect price maybe move lower. That is our long term bearish. That is a high time frame institutional order flow. Bearish. Now currently day in daily candle institutional order flow is for bullish for the Euro USD. Okay, this is my next round liquidity for this coming week. Okay, and if you see the 4 hour chart, you can see clearly. uh, you know uh, you know market makers, yes, that is central banks moving the market only sell side liquidity to buy side liquidity, sell side to buy side, sell side to buy side, sell side to buy side. Okay, yes, that is good. Okay, we'll see the GBUSD. That is also same, yes, same to the Euro USD. Yes, see guys, after price this previous month low rated, uh, you know see this is the daily candles, and you know what I told you first, market makers move the market only sell side to buy side to sell side. Okay, this same scenario is happened here. See guys, after this low is broken, market makers move the market high, and this down close candle, for the GBST institutional order flow is bullish. Okay, so then down close candle will act as a support. Yes, what do you see here? Down close candle is created. What is happened? Down close candle act as a support the price. What is happened in the last week? Price act as a support in this level and move higher. Okay, and this is my target level for the coming week. Okay, and I expect again this down close control also will act as a support for the coming week. Okay, this is a previous week high, and maybe price maybe come to this level Monday or Tuesday, and price will move higher after raid or purge the some 1 or 2 days previous days low liquidity, price maybe move higher up to this level. Okay, this is my expectation. Maybe price will clear, but if price in case price break this down close candle low, we can expect price will started to move lower. Okay, that will, what is that? If price break this a down close candle low, that will be our MMSM, that is market maker sell model. We'll see what is going to be coming. What my expectation, price may be clear these buy sell liquidity for our next coming week. Okay. But for USD, I expect Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. For these 3 days, price may be clear this buy sell liquidity, almost 200 pips. Okay. For reason, if you see this uh, news for factory, see guys, for Monday, there is no GBST news, and UST bank is holiday. Okay. So, and if you see and again, but that day GBB bank is open and not holiday, and Tuesday is also GB have some news, and Wednesday also, yes, GUSD is high, have high impact news. And if you see this just Thursday, there is GBB bank is, oh sorry, GBB bank is holiday. Mark this, okay, holiday. And Friday also GBB bank is holiday, so I expect Monday to Wednesday price may be clear these sales by security. Okay. You know, see, can see what, why you mark this accumulate sell stuff, accumulate sell stuff. You can say, I will explain you. Okay. And do you see, oh sorry, that all level I consider as a uh, sell side liquidity. Okay, that is what I tell you that is, this is day candle, previous after this green candle uh, ride this sell side liquidity, that called as accumulate sell stuff, that is central banks accumulate that their sell stops, that is they are buying below these previous day's low again, that is, I think that is session low, then again they are buying below the session low, that is sell security. And the here, you see this up close candle low, this black candle break, see, that is also accumulate sell stuff, that mean central banks, and yeah, central banks, market makers buying below these sell stops, below this sell security. You know what I told you first, market makers only move the market uh, sell side to buy side and buy side to sell side. Okay, there is no other chance. So I expect they may be distribute their sell stops. That means they may be exceed at this particular level. Okay, this is my expectation. Whatever maybe is gonna, but I'm not sorry. That's not a problem. But my expectation this level. Okay, in between Monday to Wednesday. Maybe price clear this level Monday to Friday, whatever maybe happen. But uh, I will sell Euro USD even the market broke down close candle low. Okay, this scenario, this down close candle will act as a, I expect will act as a support. Why? Our institutional order flow is bullish. Can say why this particular high. Go to your chart, you will understand why I mark this particular day candle low high. Okay, I hope this video will help you in your trading journey. And if you have any doubt, please use the comment section, and uh, I will clear your doubts. You can join my Telegram group also. You can share our setups, not trading signal sending groups. You can learn one by one. Okay. I hope this video will help you in a daily journey. I will see another video, and good luck, good trade.